Well is a bold reflection of Toronto's energy and diversity, and a vibrant mixture of retail, commercial, and residential space in downtown Toronto that will draw approximately 22,000 daily visitors. Award-winning architectural firm CCXA wove in opportunities for fluidity, creativity, and connectivity throughout the design. In particular, they gave careful consideration to selecting pavers for the areas that would withstand the heavy vehicular traffic.
My name is Logan Littlefield. I'm a landscape architect with CCXA, formerly Claude Cormier & Associates. The Well is a large mixed-use site bound by Spadina Avenue, Front Street, and Wellington Place, just on the west side of downtown Toronto.
Load Lock technology by Unilock was selected as the best solution for the project criteria. This paver base can be used with virtually any paver size and with any finish available at Unilock. This allows for complete customizability and design flexibility on your large-scale projects.
The varied lengths, the varied colors, and the varied textures and levels of aggregate finish, that's really what gives the depth, the variation, the texture, the warmth that we were looking for to define this promenade that was 175 years in the making.
While the surface styles of the chosen products facilitate a cohesive design that fosters a seamless outdoor transition between spaces, the change in paver shape from the promenade planks to the load lock squares helps delineate the vehicular areas from pedestrian paths. Together, they create a fluid design that's simple to navigate, enabling people to move easily throughout this vibrant hub.
Unilock was very proactive in helping us select the pavers that were appropriate for this site. Source the materials and finishes that we wanted based on our inspiration and based on the textures and colors and variation that we wanted. When we look at other projects that were completed before the Well that used similar finishes and that series finish, we see their durability holding up over time. We see that the texture holds up really well in terms of all the kind of abuse that public promenades and sidewalks get. There's scuffs, there's stains, there's spills, and a texture like series can really conceal that. It really keeps the color and over time, and it's that durability that we're looking for. It's not the only aspect, but it's a really important aspect in keeping that timeless quality that we're always looking for in our designs. That was really important at this site.
Today, the Well offers new opportunities for eating, shopping, working, playing, and living. And it's just what Toronto has been waiting for.